as I asked you so many years ago. Generations to come, perhaps all of humanity will thank you for your bravery and commitment. You must ask yourself whether you're truly ready to enter a new world.